Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Caravito. I just want to talk a little bit about Groundhog's Day with you. So, Groundhog's Day is when there's a groundhog. Can you find the groundhog? That's right, there it is. When a groundhog comes out of his cave and he looks around, and all these people watch him, and he can either see his shadow or not see his shadow. And that determines whether there'll be more winter or it will be an early spring. So let's learn a little bit about Groundhog's Day. Groundhog's Day is celebrated on February 2nd. The second day in February. And some people believe that on this day of the year, watching groundhogs can help them predict when spring will come. When will spring begin? The date of February 2nd is about in the middle of winter, and old stories say that if a groundhog comes out and sees its shadow, there will be about 6 more weeks of winter. So if he pops out, boop, and he sees a shadow behind him, just like here you could see his shadow, that means there's going to be 6 more weeks of winter. And those stories also say that if a groundhog does not see his shadow, then spring will come early. So which one would you rather have? Would you rather the groundhog come up and see a shadow and have 6 more weeks of winter? 6 more weeks of cold weather and maybe even some snow? Or would you rather the groundhog come out and not see his shadow at all and have an early spring? Which one do you like more, winter or spring? I like spring. Yeah, I do. And that's because flowers are blooming in the spring and it's sunny and it gets a little warmer outside. So I vote for this one. I would love an early spring. But you don't have to pick exactly what I pick, right? You can pick your own choice. So if you like winter, you would want the groundhog to see his shadow. So on February 2nd this year, we're all going to watch the groundhog. Sometimes they put him on TV, so you can watch him before going to school that day. And you can see, does the groundhog see his shadow? Will there be 6 more weeks of winter? Or will there be an early spring? I hope you guys learned a little bit about Groundhog's Day. Have a great day, everyone.